Hello, Windows PC users. I have here a URL for a web page that we have seen previously, the hello.html web page. And now that you are savvy enough to have the ability to create files and folders on the desktop of your Windows PC computer, we're going to now take the next step and we're going to grab the HTML that defines this page, and we're going to copy and paste it into our hello.html file that we have on our desktop. So this should not be a super technical thing. We should be able to do these three very modest, simple things. We should be able to click on a link and open this in the browser, or rather, I'll put this link in the notes for the video here. You can click on it, or you can copy paste that into your browser. Then we're going to know how to view page source, and then we need to know how to copy and paste things. So that should all be well within the reach of everybody. I'm going to hit pause on the recording here, and then I'm going to resume looking at my desktop. But before I do, I'm going to click on this link with a double click, and this is our web page that we saw previously. And if I want to see the source, the HTML source that defines all this, I'm going to right mouse click and say view page source, and there it is. So that's what I will want. So in just a moment, I'm going to pause the recording and resume here with my desktop in front of you. All right, this is the address of the page. This is my HTML page. It's on a server, but I don't want it to be on the server anymore. I want a local copy of it. That is to say, I want a copy of this page that I can edit myself. I can't edit the thing if it's out on somebody else's server. But here's my MIS 2402 workspace. I'll double click there. Here are my files. I saw these files previously. Notice I'm just rearranging the windows so that I can see everything. All right. So here's my file, hello.html. I'm going to right mouse click on that and open with Notepad. All right. So I want to take all of this and put it in there. But I don't want this. I want the HTML that's behind this. I want the source that is behind this. So I right mouse click, I view page source. I'm going to take all this. Now, here's the tricky part. Everybody brace yourselves. If I want to copy and paste, I need to use the keys on my keyboard. I can hold, I have selected everything with my mouse, right? I click at the bottom and I scroll all the way down and I make sure that I have all the characters. So I don't want to miss that first character. I don't want to miss the last character. I've got it all in blue. And then I hold down the control key and I press the letter C. And I go over here and I backspace over what I had previously. So empty file, and I hold down the control key and press V. And then I'm going to click File and Save. Every student of technology in the 21st century needs to be able to copy and paste things. It's not a crazy expectation. Now, when I double click this, I will have hello world. It looks like the same page, but look how the address has changed. It's on my file system. This is a local file. It doesn't say HTTPS anymore at the front. It just says, hey, you are on the file system, on drive C, in this folder, in this folder, in this folder, in this folder, and then hello.html. Okay, and you now have a local copy of this file for us to look at. So you can look at that inside of Notepad now. And you can look at all this. We're going to be walking through in the slides that follow. We're going to walk through each and every one of these tags so that we know what it does. All right. Have fun.